No, I'm not working with this guy. I've been there, done that.
The minute he gets involved, you can kiss goodbye to any finesse because She-Hulk here only knows how to smash.
Yeah, Mr. Arson here only knows how to blow shit up.
The fact is...
And the fact is...
No offense.
Oh, no offense.
That's, some bitch in your native tongue.
That'd be wanker in your native tongue.
You finished blubbering? You sound like a giant tattooed baby.
You know what? I'm not listening to this horse shit. I got a job to do. Tell your mom I said hi. Actually, I'll tell her myself.
If you ever talk about my mother, I'll put your head through that wall. Secondly, I'll have this job done while you're still putting on your baby oil. Good luck, Slick.
That's it. You just reminded me. That's exactly why I hate working with you. It's your voice. It's your nasally, prepubescent Harry Potter voice. Every time you speak, just imagine this for a second. It's like dragging my balls across shattered glass. And it hurts.
Well, for me, it's not your voice. It's your face. Your big, stupid face. Looking at it makes me feel like God is projectile vomiting right in my eyes. And it burns. It really burns. Hey, look, in case you didn't realize, I could give a damn about your comfort. So why don't you be a good elephant? Suck up another kilo of peanuts, put your chair back and relax.
And listen, don't ever tell me to relax, all right? Don't tell me to do anything. Anytime you ever say anything, it makes me want to take my boot and shove it so far up your ass, you're going to be spitting out shoelaces all week.
You know what the problem is? I'll tell you the problem. This job requires stealth. And you, look at you. I mean, granted, it's not your fault, but you're too obvious. You stick out like balls on a bulldog, dangling down in all the wrong places. Seemingly harmless. The next thing you know, they're trying to impregnate your sister.
Oh, what? Impregnate your sister?
You heard.
Oh. Now I get it.
You do? Good. I'm glad. Yeah, I'm glad. I'm very glad.
So you actually think that I'm going through all this effort on this mission, trying to save the world, by the way, for a fourth time, because I'm really good at it. You think I'm going through all of this just so I can do the horizontal hula sexy, sexy time with your sister?
Not all. Most.
Let me break it down for you, Frodo. This ain't 1955 anymore. Right? Despite the fact that that girl sleeping right there is related to you, she's still one of the toughest, baddest, most capable women I've ever encountered in my entire life. And if she chooses to look the way of this big, brown, well-endowed, tattooed mountain of a man, then guess what? I'm gonna let her climb this mountain over and over and over again.
You stay away from her. I see what you're doing. What, you think I'm stupid?
Of course I think you're stupid. But you know what? I'll do you a favor. I'll knock that dumb right out of your skull. You just say the word, Jack.
You know what I want to do? I want to do an Irish jig on your arse-ugly face at 30,000 feet.
Oh, 30,000 feet. So you want to dance right now?
Yeah.
The only thing holding you back is air and opportunity. There goes the air.
Bring it on. No. That's enough. Hey, cut it out. Both of y'all, cut it out.
Oh, see? You woke up the air marshal.
You woke the air marshal.
Air Marshal Dinkley at your service.
I'm sorry, did you say Dinkley?
What's the problem? Dinkley. I understand this, big fella, because it's my job to observe. Yeah, you wanna know what I do? I sit in a can of farts all day long. You need a third body.
No. We're good.
Guys, I know the game. You hear me?
3 would be too much.